Okay, so this is to show you how to share your screen. So right now I am in my Blackboard Collaborate session. And you're always going to, if you have your sessions are created, you are going to just click on the test course, right? So this is my folder. And then I'm going to click on the session that I am going to use. So here is the session. I'm clicking on the three dots and I'm clicking on join session. All right. So if you come into your course and you are not seeing the Blackboard Collaborate panel over here, it is collapsed. So we need to open it. So when I click on it, now I'm able to see the option for share content. So again, this is for chat, this is share content, and this is my settings. So I'm going to click on share content. And because we want to share a screen, we want to actually show a document, we want to work in the document so that the students can see it, we should be using share application screen. And when you click on share application screen, you're going to notice these three options. So your screen, share your entire screen, means that your students are going to see every single thing from, if you open up your folder, they're going to see the folders, your files. You go to your web browser and you start typing, they're going to see your history. So you have to be very mindful as to which option you're using. The option that we're going to use today is that I was going to be application window. So the other thing is that if you notice, when I went here, and I went to application window, I did not see my documents. Why? Because I didn't open up my documents. So we have to make sure that the document that we want to share with the students is opened. Okay, so when I say open, that means that it is expanded on the screen. Now I'm gonna go back to Collaborate. And when I click on application window, I should now see that document in one of my options. This is actually the one thing that happens quite often, is that people keep the document that they're trying to share minimized when it should be expanded. So I'm clicking on the document and I'm clicking on share. All right, so now here is my document. Okay, here is the share button to stop sharing. So right now, your students are going to see this particular document. And you can work in it, right? As you're highlighting, as you're making changes, they're actually able to see that, okay? And then once you are finished working in the document, you can stop sharing. And then it will take you back to Collaborate. And you'll be able to just continue working with your students. If you have any questions, please feel free to send an email using the email at the bottom of this video will give you the email for our company and also the website if you are looking for any assistance in any type of LMS platform. Thank you.